Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a paper snake. For the paper snake, you will need a felt tip pen, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and 2 sheets of A4 coloured paper. The next thing you need to do is get your piece of paper, turn it landscape, put it down, and fold edge to edge, and fold down, press down, and seal. Okay, so you should have this. Then fold again. Make sure you've got the edges fold again and press. When you open, you should have some folds like this. Do the same with the other sheet of paper. Then you need to cut down each of these folds into strips. When using scissors, make sure you've got an adult supervising you. Once you've cut out all your strips, you should have strips of even size. Okay. The next thing you need to do, put a plain piece of paper in front of you so that you don't stick the glue on your surface. Get 2 strips and then place one down and get your glue stick. Put a little bit of glue on the edge. Get your other colour and then stick it on the top like so. Okay. Then place it down. The next thing you need to do is you need to bring this strip over and press down here. Bring the other one over, press down. Bring that one across, press down, and carry on till you get to the end. As you come to the end, open the last 2 flaps up like this, so you'll have something like this. Get another strip of the same colour, put a little bit of glue and stick down and attach. So we're just going to join on and extend these. Continue to press down. Continue and then do the same again. You get to this bit, put a little bit of glue on the edge. When you get to the last strip, you need to fold this down. Okay, about 2 inches. And cut. Use the same strip to get the same measurement. And cut. So you should have 2 strips like these. I'll show you what to do with those in a minute. Carry on finishing your folds. When you get to the last bit, get your glue put it on the base. And fold this down. And you will be left with a little excess. Just fold that back. Use scissors. Cut that down. Then do the same with the other one. Put the glue. Fold back. And then cut the excess like so. And you should be left with something like this. Okay. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the face. For the face, you need to draw a line across, a line across, bring that forward, okay, and cut it out. Okay. With this strip, we're going to make the tail. So for the tail, we're just going to draw down and point it out like this, just like a triangle, and cut it out. And then just fold a little bit like so. Get your snake. Let's start with the head first. So, bit of glue. Stick your snake's head onto there. Okay. Get its tail. There's a little bit of glue just on the edge of that fold. And stick that on the bottom end. And press down. Okay. Next we're going to make the eyes. For the eyes, get a white sheet of paper, and all you need to do is just draw. This might take a bit of practice, but just draw some circles. And it's up to you where you want to place the eyeballs. After a few here, choose which eyes you like and cut them out. Once you've cut the eyes out, stick them on, and then you need to draw in its spots there. Okay, get your tongue, put a bit of glue, and you're going to stick this on the back of your snake, underneath it, like so. Okay, and there you have your finished movable snake. Now you can make your snake in any coloured paper, any size. As you can see, I've made 3 of different sizes. So you have your own movable snake. Enjoy making them.